Today I'm working on a 2013 BMW 528I, just doing a valve cover job. The valve cover gasket was leaking everywhere, so I'm replacing the whole valve cover assembly. While I'm in here, I just noticed this chain was sitting here like that, which is not a good sign, and it has a lot of a lot of slack. So chain's super stretched. It's a big, terrible job on this car. So we'll see if the guy wants to go forward with it, but yeah, it's something that can happen. It's more prone to happening when they don't do their oil change interval on time. You know, you get a lot of sludge and coking and stuff like that, and it can start to starve your pickup. And not only that, but it can also just wear the chain. The way the chain works is these little, when a chain stretches, what's actually happening is the pins, where the pins go into the holes in the link, they're becoming oblong over time. So from a lot of times contaminants in the oil and just debris and just stuff like that, when the oil loses its lubricity over time and it becomes less effective at being a lubricant, and it starts to get gasoline in it and stuff like that, and it becomes less lubricating, so it actually starts to make excessive wear on the links of the chain. So you get stuff like this happening more frequently. But yeah, it's not a good job on this. It's pretty big. A lot of stuff has to happen. But yeah, we'll see what he wants to do.